Good morning, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros. Time for a weather update. This will also be posted on Responding Fire. We're talking about potential of wintry precipitation on Thursday morning. This is kind of early. It's the 12th, so we'll be around the 15th of November. We may be seeing our first actual snow, sleet, freezing rain situation. We'll also go into amounts here. Not going to be that much around, but it could cause an issue in the morning because we're going to be below freezing, definitely in the Roanoke Valley prior to this occurring, so this could be a little messy. We'll take a look at it. We get the rain come through this today, heavy rain. As you see, the snow's back through Indiana. Well, not much to worry about there. That's the first storm. It goes to become a nor'easter. And as I've talked to you about our winter forecast, how the low pressures and the moisture would still be around. This is what I'm talking about. We're pretty early in the season. If this continues another month from now, this would be a full-fledged snowstorm, guaranteed. So then we look back to the south again with another storm moving in. You see heavier snow pick up here towards the area of southern Indiana. We have that mixed precipitation. Here it is. Roanoke, straight up 81, down to the border, Martinsville. This is sleet and freezing rain. And like I said, I don't think we're going to have a huge issue with freezing rain being on the roadways. I think it's going to be elevated surfaces, power lines, trees, etc. That may bring a few trees down because we still have moist ground. But this could also be a mix of sleet and freezing rain. So we could get a slushy. GFS, I'll show you, has it going to a slushy inch, a quarter inch to about 3/4 is going to be your mean. And I don't think it's going to stick very well. It may at the beginning because of the temperatures, but it definitely has something we keep an eye on. If you plow snow or stuff like that, you may have to go out on Monday. But this turns to all rain as that situation with snow, sleet, freezing rain moves north as the low pressure cranks off Norfolk. Then there's snow, sleet, freezing rain mix and snow in northern New Jersey. That will then turn to an issue here in Massachusetts, Hudson Valley, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. So they will get some of that. Western Connecticut and western Massachusetts stay with some snow. So actually looks like we're going to have some accumulation there. But we're going to go to the total snow. And this is, like I said, the GFS. And the reason I'm showing you this is because some of this is showing actual accumulation. I wouldn't pay too much attention to this, maybe on the highest wintergreen. But look here, 1 inch right around Roanoke. 1 inch, half an inch to an inch right in the Roanoke Valley. So that's interesting in its own right. It's showing this 3-something up here. I think that's a little off. I think we're talking about a half inch at best there. But you can see snowfall amounts across Massachusetts, parts of Connecticut. Yeah, we're getting some actual snow sleet accumulation, 3 to 6 inches. It looks like at this current time it could shift, but that's what we're looking at now. And then there will be another storm that pops through the Jersey area and that we could look for another inch. But that's later down the road. I don't know if that'll mount. What I can say is we're looking at possibly our first somewhat accumulation of sleet mix on Thursday morning. Main time frame between 5 a.m. and 1 p.m. Probably more likely 5 to 11-ish, but I'm putting 1 for some areas. May hang on to old air in the mountains, valleys a little bit longer. But that's what we're looking at right now. So the potential is there for a slick morning commute on Thursday. So please be very vigilant. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thank you for watching.